Hello, it's Blake Scarlevi with Route 16, and I'm back with another quick pro tip video for you. So if you remember our quick pro tip number 5 video, we showed how to create a table using Copilot as well as uploading a spreadsheet to create a table. Some very cool functionality, but at the time, the huge downside was that it puts it in the default solution, which gives it that default prefix that Microsoft assigns to the environment. And that's a deal breaker for us, at least, because we like to be consistent with our prefixes. We like to have the right prefix so we know like where the customizations are coming from, right? And just have a consistent schema across the board. So now Microsoft actually released a separate feature called a preferred solution. And this actually works well with that new functionality of Copilot for creating tables, which I'm going to show off here. So the first thing we need to do, since this currently is preview, we have to enable it. So if you go to your admin.powerplatform.microsoft.com, go to environments, go to the specific environment you want to enable this in. I'm going to use our Scratchpad environment. And then go to settings for that environment. Expand this product section and then the features. This is where you can enable a lot of different preview functionality. So it's kind of towards the bottom, so keep scrolling down, and it's a section preferred solution. It'll be off by default, but just click to turn it on. And then one thing that is hard to tell because you can't see it, you got to keep scrolling to the bottom, and there will be a save button there that you have to click. This basically happens immediately. So once you save it, you can go to your environment now. So I'm in my Scratchpad. Then go to Solutions, and there's going to be this whole new section up here that was not but there if you didn't have the setting on. So from here, we can actually set our preferred solution. So what this does is it's basically like another level of default solution. So before and now, if you don't have a preview preferred solution set, everything's going to go into your default solution, and it's going to give it that prefix for your default solution. Now we can set a preferred one, and anything that happens outside the context of a solution is going to go inside the preferred solution, and it's going to give it the prefix for that preferred solution. So here I just created one called preferred, and I gave it the Route 16 publisher, which is our R16 prefix. So right now this solution is completely empty, right? So I did click this manage here. I got my preferred solution set. Click apply. And now if we go to use that Copilot functionality again, so we're going to go to tables, describe the new table. Opens up Copilot here. Just do something pretty simple like create an inventory table. So it's just going to build out an inventory table for me with some columns it thinks I want, some sample data. For now, I'm just going to click create. So it's going to go ahead and create these tables and the columns and the sample data as well. So before, it was just going to do this in the default solution. I was going to have like a random prefix assigned to everything. But now it should be going into my preferred solution. So here's the table it's created. If I go to solutions, go to preferred, and it takes a second, but here it popped open. And as you can see, it's got my R16 prefix for the table since it's in this solution. And all the columns, the custom columns should have that prefix as well. So we're good to go. So before, for us at least, using this Copilot functionality for tables was kind of a deal breaker because we wanted to be consistent with our prefixes, right? So now this new preview feature of preferred solutions is a good way around that. So hope that helps. Thanks for watching.